Let's explore the power of regular expressions, or regex, in database queries. This presentation will guide you on how to use regular expression patterns in SQL and various database operations. Get ready to unlock advanced text searching and data validation techniques. So, what exactly is regex in the context of databases? Regular expressions enable pattern matching within database queries. This allows for sophisticated text search and validation directly in SQL operations. Think of it as a way to find and manipulate text that follows a specific pattern. Not all databases are created equal when it comes to regular expression support. Some databases offer full support, while others have limited capabilities. Databases with full support include PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, and SQLite. These databases allow you to use a wide range of regex features. On the other hand, SQL Server and MariaDB provide limited support, meaning that only a subset of regex functionalities are available. PostgreSQL provides several operators for working with regular expressions. The tilde operator, which looks like a squiggly line, is used for case-sensitive matching. The tilde asterisk operator is used for case-insensitive matching. The exclamation mark followed by a tilde is for case-sensitive non-matching. And finally, the exclamation mark followed by a tilde asterisk is for case-insensitive non-matching. These operators allow you to perform a variety of regex-based searches in your queries. Let's look at a basic example of using regex in PostgreSQL. This SQL query selects the name and email from the user's table, where the email matches a specific pattern. The pattern _Z0-9 underscore percent plus dash plus at Z0-9 plus 2 dollar is a common regex for validating email addresses. This query finds all users with valid email addresses using regex pattern matching with the tilde operator. MySQL offers a set of functions to perform regular expression operations. The Regex operator is used for basic pattern matching. Regex _like is a function that returns a Boolean value, indicating whether a pattern is found. Regex _replace allows you to replace text that matches a regex pattern. Lastly, Regex _extract lets you extract the substring that matches a specified pattern. These functions provide powerful tools for manipulating text data in MySQL. Consider a scenario involving phone number validation. This SQL query selects the customer ID and phone number from the customers table, where the phone number matches a defined pattern. The pattern $0-90-90-90 checks if the phone number is in the format of 3 digits, a dash, 3 digits, a dash, and 4 digits. The Regex _like function is employed here to find customers with properly formatted phone numbers. Regex in databases serves several common use cases. It is widely used for data validation, where you can validate email formats, phone number patterns, zip code formats, and even credit card numbers. Additionally, regex is invaluable for text search, enabling complex pattern matching, log file analysis, content filtering, and data cleansing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.